It's clear that nature is becoming less predictable. The planet's ecosystems and the livelihoods of millions are at increasing risk due to climate change. Freshwater bodies like streams and rivers support rich, biodiverse ecosystems that are now being threatened, not to mention the billions of dollars of damage that flooding of these water bodies causes every year. But you probably knew all of that. The question is now, how do we deal with some of the effects that climate change is going to have? We believe that collecting data is the most effective way to better our understanding about these bodies. While manual measurement and data logging can provide some insight, collecting real-time data often has many advantages. It can explore the way that conditions change on a weekly, daily, or even hourly basis. And frequent data collection means that anomalies can be detected and dealt with almost as soon as they come up. Real-time data can even provide alerts to homes and businesses that would be affected by a flood. Today, the USGS maintains the largest network of these measurement devices. The only issue is that typically they're expensive and hard to install. Aquametric was not developed to replace these sensors, but rather to fill in the gaps where data is less available. Here's how it works. Each hour, the microcontroller inside the device wakes from a deep sleep and uses the onboard ultrasonic sensor to measure its distance from the water surface. By subtracting the height that the device is mounted at, it can calculate the water level, or stage, of the stream or river. Our device can also receive data from the server. Each time it wakes up, it checks the server to see how often it should be taking measurements. So, for example, in the event of an upcoming storm, our server can instruct the sensor to take measurements every 15 minutes rather than each hour, helping provide more up-to-date information. We use this same mechanism to provide over-the-air updates when necessary. We've been through countless iterations of the device, trying all sorts of microcontrollers, sensors, batteries, and enclosures. Our latest version is designed to be as easy to make as possible, taking advantage of almost all off-the-shelf components. The data from the sensors is logged and displayed by our central server. On aquametric.live, you can find your sensor, view its graphs, and even download past data from it. Knowledge is power. Aquametric aims to bring real-time data on streams and rivers to the ecosystems and people that depend so heavily on them.